subscribe to GK Geeks YouTube channel and activate bell icon to watch more general knowledge videos. In this video, we are going to learn top 20 Indian rivers general knowledge questions for all competitive exams. This is part 3 video. You can watch the other parts in this channel. Also check the description of this video for more information. Question number 1. The peninsular rivers have their source in options A. Western Ghats, B. Eastern Ghats, C. Vindhya Satpura Ranges, D. Saivalik Hills. Answer A. Western Ghats. Question number 2. Which of the following is correctly matched? Options A. Nagarjuna Sagar Krishna River, B. Hirakud Godavari River, C. Bhakra Nangal Bhakra, D. Damodar Valley Project Indus River. Answer A. Nagarjuna Sagar Krishna River. Question number 3. Hirakud Dam is built across which river? Options A. Mahanadi, B. Kaveri, C. Godavari, D. Krishna. Answer A. Mahanadi. Question number 4. Srinagar is situated on the banks of the river. Options A. Satluj, B. Ravi, C. Jhelum, D. Bias. Answer C. Jhelum. Question number 5. Which river in India has the largest runoff? Options A. Indus, B. Kaveri, C. Godavari, D. Ganga. Answer A. Indus. Question number 6. Which of the following tributaries of Indus flows for its major course in India? Options A. Ravi, B. Chenab, C. Satluj, D. Jhelum. Answer C. Satluj. Question number 7. Jamshedpur steel plant is located at the confluence of the rivers Subarnarekha and options A. Damodar, B. Kosi, C. Kharkai, D. Son. Answer A. Damodar. Question number 8. Paris is situated on the bank of which river? Options A. Seine, B. Saint Lawrence, C. Rhine, D. Thames. Answer A. Seine. Question number 9. The total area from which all surface runoff is drained by a river is called its options A. Watershed, B. Floodplain, C. Catchment area, D. Interfluvial area. Answer C. catchment area. Question number 10. What is the main reason for the presence of large swamps in the Siberian rivers? Options: A. Siberian rivers are very narrow. B. The large network of canals aggravate the rate of drainage of the Siberian rivers. C. The flow of water into the sea is prevented in heavy frigid near the mouths of the Siberian rivers. D. There is no perennial source of water to shed the Siberian rivers. Answer: C. The flow of water into the sea is prevented in the heavy frigid near the mouths of the Siberian rivers. Question number 11. The river Damodar ends in. Options: A. River Ganga. B. River Hooghly. C. Bay of Bengal. D. Salt Lake. Answer: B. River Hooghly. Question number 12. The Yamuna rises from. Options: A. Gangotri glaciers. B. Yamunotri glaciers. C. Malwa Plateau. D. Manasarovar river. Answer: B. Yamunotri glaciers. Question number 13. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is constructed across the river. Options: A. Godavari. B. Narmada. C. Tapti. D. Krishna. Answer: D. Krishna. Question number 14. Which one of the following east flowing rivers of India has rift valley due to downwrapping? Options: A. Damodar. B. Mahanadi. C. Sun. D. Yamuna. Answer: D. Yamuna. Question number 15. The Alamati Dam is on the river. Options: A. Godavari. B. Kaveri. C. Krishna. D. Mahanadi. Answer: C. Krishna. Question number 16. Which one of the following rivers thrice forks into two streams and reunites a few miles further on, thus forming the islands of Srirangapattanam, Sivasamudram and Srirangam? Options: A. Kaveri. B. Tungabhadra. C. Krishna. D. Godavari. Answer: A. Kaveri. Question number 17. Rajasthan Canal is fed by the river. Options: A. Satluj. B. Yamuna. C. Ganga. C. Ghagra. D. Jhelum. Answer: A. Satluj. Question number 18. The largest tributary on the river Ganges is the. Options: A. भद्रक, बी कोसी, सी यमुना, डी प्रयाग। Answer C. Yamuna. Question number 19. Which of the following rivers divides the Deccan Table land from northern India? Options A. Chambal, B. Krishna, C. Narmada, D. Godavari. Answer C. Narmada. Question number 20. Pong Dam is a joint venture of the following states of India. Options A. Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, C. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, D. Rajasthan, Haryana, Gujarat. Answer A. Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan.